Hello guys, in this new video I'm going to show you how to download PonyXBet in iPhone. So the first thing you have to do here is just open the App Store. I'm going to open the App Store. Next, all we have to do is tap on our profile picture at the top of our screen on the right. Now we are going to tap on our iCloud accounts. The next thing you guys are going to do here is tap on country/region. This is going to enable us to change our country into the App Store. That's going to permit us to have the possibility to download the PonyXBet application. So you are going to tap on change country/region. What you are going to do here is search for the country Nepal. You are going to slide down until you find the country Nepal. You are going to tap on Nepal. Next, you are going to tap on accept conditions. You are going to tap on accept at the top of your screen on the right. And now you are going to enter your informations. Now, what you are going to do here is tap on none. Next, you are going to see the name and your show name are going to be entered automatically. Now, what you are going to do here is go on to the street and you are going to enter this information. You are going to enter Alan. Next, you are going to go on to the city and then you are going to enter this Poka. Okay, enter this exact information. After entering this information, next you are going to enter this other information, Pokhara. Next, you are going to enter the postcode, which is 33700. So after entering the postcode, you are going to enter a number. What you are going to do is enter this phone number and then you are going to tap on next at the top of your screen on the right. Now you are going to discover that you have changed our country in App Store. What you are going to do next is search for PonyXBet. Okay, I'm going to enter here PonyXBet. And now you are going to discover that you have access to the PonyXBet application. You are going to tap on it and then you are going to tap on get to download the application. So now that we have access to the PonyXBet application, I'm going to invite you to use the promo code Chelsea TV to have access to a bonus of 300% on your first deposit. What I'm going to do now is open the PonyXBet application, and the next thing we are going to do here is tap on registration at the top of our screen on the right, and you are going to choose here the registration method of your choice. I'm going to take the second method, and here you are basically supposed to enter your phone number, your currency, and then enter the promo code. Here, as I told you at the beginning, you are going to enter Chelsea TV to have access to a 300% bonus on your first deposit. So after entering the promo code, what you are going to do is tap on bonus and then select spot. Next, you are going to accept the terms of condition and then click on register, and your account is going to be created and you will have access to a 300% bonus on your first deposit.